Do you know what this is? Yes, this is your GPU. And now your browsers can use it. And no, I'm not talking about WebGL, I'm talking about WebGPU. WebGPU is modern browser API that lets JavaScript send work directly to computer's GPU. That means your website can run massively parallel workloads without forcing everything through the CPU. GPUs are really good at doing thousands of small calculations at the same time. So WebGPU is useful for things like 3D graphics, physics simulations, image and video processing, scientific calculations, and even running AI models directly on your browser. You might be thinking, didn't WebGL already did this? Kind of. WebGL was mainly designed for graphics. WebGPU is much closer to modern APIs like Vulkan, Metal, Direct 3D, and it gives developers access to both rendering and compute savers. At a very simplified level, JavaScript creates a WebGPU device. You send data into GPU buffers, then you write a shader, usually in WebGPU shader language, WGSL. The GPU runs that shader across potentially 1,000 of threads and sends the result back. So instead of your CPU processing, say 1 million particles one by one, you can throw that computation at the GPU. And GPU processes huge chunks of them in parallel. That's how you can build crazy particle simulations, games, or ML demos directly inside a web page. And this gets really interesting with browser AI. Projects can use WebGPU to run models locally on your machine, meaning lower latency, and in some cases, your data never leaves the device. So, the privacy is intact. So basically, WebGPU turns your browser into a much serious computing platform, and we are probably only scratching the surface of what could be its best use. There you have it, WebGPU.